In the heart of his modern, meticulously curated studio, David sat comfortably before a constellation of screens that pulsed with analytics, vibrant colors, and dynamic graphs. His eyes gleamed with excitement and palpable energy, the embodiment of a successful YouTuber thriving in the bustling domain of online content creation. David's hands moved with precision across his top-of-the-line keyboard, pulling up stats that spoke volumes of success, viewer engagement, likes, shares, and a monetization line graph that seemed to stretch ever upwards. The studio, of visual euphoria, mused an ultramodern and futuristic aesthetic. Soft, cinematic lighting highlighted the contours of David's face, enhancing the confidence that radiated from his demeanor. It was as if his entire being was illuminated by an inner fire kindled by relentless passion and dedication. A high-quality camera stood sentinel before him, capturing every nuance of his expression. Flanked by a sophisticated array of professional lighting and an elegant, sleek microphone setup, David's domain depicted nothing short of a digital Eden. He adjusted his tailored headset, ensuring clear sound for what promised to be another engaging episode on online earnings. Welcome back, everyone, he began with a voice rich in enthusiasm, his confidence anchoring the attention of thousands tuning in from corners of the world. Today, I'm going to dive deep into the elements that can skyrocket your online career, and we'll explore how analytics can be your biggest ally. His narrative wove through explanations, peppered with personal anecdotes and that viral momentum that had become his signature style. While David elaborated on the intricacies of different revenue streams, audience members could almost feel the gears turning in his mind, planning, strategizing the next big leap. In David's studio, before the lights and screens, he wasn't just creating video content. He was crafting a masterclass in persistence and ingenuity, a beacon for aspiring creators dreaming to carve their niche in the digital expanse. And though every detail of his studio screamed cutting-edge technology and a testament to his success, it was the pulse of creativity, dedication, and the belief that the sky was the limit that truly set David apart, evolving the art of online content creation into a celebrated phenomenon.